So then I will come to the second part for the biotech, very briefly to see what happened in for the biotech technology during the human civilization. I think they just briefly show you the shift of biotechnology. You know, as you know, the ancient time, we already use microbial technology for such as brewing the vinegar, and also this BC 5000, and also BC 3000 beer and also wine brewing, and also the 7000 soy sauce brewing. The technology already finished. So for the modern bioindustry, I think the first important example will be the wastewater treatment technology. We call the active sludge industrialization. So I think this one is just even now we don't know the details of the microorganism components during the wastewater treatment, but we are using the microbes to purify the wasted water, or to treat the wasted water to protect the environment. So this one is after the industrial revolution. At the moment, all of the wastewater were directly discharged into the river. So that caused a very severe pollution and also the disease transmission. So at that moment, very quickly the active sludge was found, and then was industrialized in the America and also in the Europe. I think this is the one symbol of the modern bioindustry presented by the environment biotechnology. And then the fermentation of the citric acid and also the penicillin production industrialization, as you know. And then comes to the large-scale cultivation of the algae, and also the other nucleic acid fermentation industry, and also pharmaceutical production by the DNA recombination cells. This, I think, from the 80s, then we come into the modern biotechnology era, mainly presented by the technology of the DNA recombination, the technique, and also the other the modern biotechnology such as the system biology and also the metabolic engineering, etc. And also they comes into the animal and plant cells culture. After this, the environment biotechnology and also genomics and proteomics nowadays we call the system biology were appearing. And now in the 21st century, I think another important field will be the industry biotechnology, mainly to replace the traditional chemical engineering technology, mainly by treating the petroleum or the fossil resources. So for the industry biotechnology, the time now we will treat the renewable biomass resources. I think this is the change of the platform. And then also the bioenergy is become more and more important. Just show you some interesting picture. So this one just show you the ancient China for the Osaka 作るところですね。東是漢の時代、東漢ですね。東漢ですね。東漢 means the very old period time in China 東東漢ですね。の時の酒を作るところの描いた絵ですね。This one is from Japan. You know, I think the sake brewing in Japan already has more than almost 400 years history for sake. And also this is a soy sauce brewing. Due to time limitation, I will skip. And also this one is a Japanese company which is cultivating the algae. In this case, spirulina, in large scale. By using the seawater in Thailand, so after this they can produce the various kinds of the food additives, all the nutrients additives for human beings. Also, this is an active sludge process for wastewater treatment in Beijing. This is just a brief story for this active sludge the biotechnology process. You see, this is a setting tank called Chindenso ですね。これの直径は100メーターですね。もうプール以降のサイズ非常に大きいですね。でこの工事下水処理場北京の3分の1の水を処理しているので1日100万トンですね。100万トンのものすごく大きい量ですね。で沈殿層だけこれ24個の沈殿層をつなげてafter the treatment of the wastewater, the bacterial cells will set down. Then the purified water will come out of the system. So we have to prepare the set tank for the sedimentation of the microorganisms. So this is just show you the bioenergy production. So as I call it, the biomass-based fuels and energy. So one is the gaseous state and the liquid state, including hydrogen or methane, and the ethanol, methanol, or the biodiesel, as you well know. So this one is a picture for the pilot plant for the co-production of the hydrogen and methane from garbage in Japan in Tsukuba AST Research Institute. So they use a two-stage fermentation. Compared with the original, the methane fermentation stage, they can shorten the fermentation time. And the second one, they can enhance the total energy recovery ratio from almost the 40 to 46% to the 55%. So these ones are very important technology. If we combine the hydrogen fermentation with the traditional methane fermentation, firstly we can finish the fermentation with short time. Secondly, we can get more the energy from the biomass materials. And this one is a very famous plant in China and also in the world. I think it is the first big plant for the biodiesel production by using the enzymatic approach. And nowadays, the biodiesel are mainly produced by the chemical approach using the alkaline or the acids as the catalyst. But for the enzymatic approach, the problem is the enzyme cost. They have the group leader is Professor Liu, who is my colleague in our department. So he invented a very good system to recover the enzyme inactivation problem. So by his technology, one enzyme can be utilized for almost half a year or more than half a year. In that case, the enzyme cost can be reduced very significantly. Now the 1 year productivity is 20,000 tons. So now they have many cooperation with a foreign company. As you said, this is bus powered by the soybeans. So this is a biodiesel. Of course, the soybean will be as a resource will be a problem. So we have to use some wasted oils or some oils which will not be eaten by the people. Anyway, I think this is also show the new area which will be being come by the contribution of the biotechnology. Let's show you some different stories just for a very short break. So why study? Who knows that? Who will know the answer? Okay, so I think this is the answer from the Oxford University. I think it's very, very good philosophy. The why study? The more I study, the more I know. 子供のようにね、たくさん勉強したらお父さんお母さんの前で自慢できるんですね。あ、これ全部してると。で、次は the more I know, the more I forget. 重要ですね。頭のスペースが限られているから、勉強すればするほど忘れちゃうんですね。で、so the more I forget, the less I know. 忘れが多ければ多いほどもう知ってること少なくなるわけですね。で、これ中国語では中国語も似てる言葉ありますけどね。本をもう厚い本を薄く読んで、また薄くしたらまた厚くすると いうような表現の仕方です。So why study?